Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and looking for a way to break free from the corporate world? Have you considered starting your own online business, specifically a niche site? Niche sites have been a popular way for entrepreneurs to make passive income through affiliate marketing, advertising, and selling digital products. However, with the rise of artificial intelligence, so much competition, and changes in search engine algorithms, you may be wondering if niche sites are still worth the time and effort. In this video, we will explore the benefits and challenges of niche sites to help you determine if it's a viable option for your online business. We'll also discuss how you can use niche site concepts to build a successful faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot your current strategy, understanding the pros and cons of niche sites will give you valuable insights into creating an online business that provides financial freedom. So let's dive in. Benefits of niche sites. Niche sites often have less competition than broader topics. By narrowing down your focus, you can differentiate yourself from other websites and stand out in search results. This means that you may be able to rank higher for relevant keywords and attract more targeted traffic to your site. Another benefit of niche sites is that they allow you to establish yourself as an expert in your chosen field, which can lead to increased credibility and trust from your audience. This can translate into higher conversions, as people are more likely to buy from someone they perceive as knowledgeable and trustworthy. Finally, niche sites can also be easier to monetize than broader websites. Since you're targeting a specific audience, you can choose affiliate products or advertising that aligns closely with their needs and interests. This can result in higher click-through rates and commissions, as well as more engaged readers who are likely to return to your site again and again. So, if you're looking for a way to build a successful online business while still maintaining creative freedom, building a niche site might just be the perfect solution for you. Challenges of niche sites. It can be tough to tackle the obstacles that come with creating content for a specific audience, but don't let that discourage you from pursuing your passions and interests online. One of the biggest, recent challenges with niche sites is AI. The writing's on the wall and it's time to face the music. It's time to change things up, pivot your strategy, and adapt to the times. You need to find a way to stand out from the crowd and show that you're more than just a robot spitting out generic content. It won't be easy, but nothing worth having ever is. Another challenge is finding a targeted audience who will appreciate and engage with your content. This requires thorough research and understanding of your niche market, as well as effective promotion strategies to get your site in front of the right people. Despite these challenges, niche sites are still worth pursuing if you're passionate about a particular topic or interest. By focusing on a specific audience, you have the opportunity to build a loyal following and establish yourself as an expert within your field. With dedication and hard work, you can overcome any obstacles that come along the way and create a successful niche site that provides value to both you and your readers. Using niche sites concepts to pivot into faceless YouTube cash cow channels. If you're looking to create a successful YouTube channel without showing your face, using the same principles as niche sites can help you establish yourself as an expert in your field and attract a dedicated following who will appreciate and engage with your content. Just like with niche sites, it's important to identify a specific topic or area of interest that you're passionate about. This could be anything from cooking to fashion to fitness. The key is to choose something that you have knowledge and expertise in so that you can provide valuable insights and information to your audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start creating content. Just like with a niche site, quality is key when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. You want to create videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining for your viewers. This means taking the time to research and plan out each video before filming, investing in good equipment for recording and editing, and focusing on creating content that is unique and stands out from what others are doing in your space. Finally, just like with niche sites, it's important to focus on promoting your YouTube channel through various marketing efforts such as social media advertising or influencer partnerships. By establishing yourself as an expert in your field through consistent high-quality content creation, engaging with your audience through comments and collaborations, and utilizing effective marketing strategies, you can build a successful faceless YouTube channel that attracts loyal followers who appreciate the value you provide them. So, are niche sites still worth it? The short answer is yes. Niche sites offer a plethora of benefits such as higher conversion rates, lower competition, and the ability to establish yourself as an authority in your field. However, there are also challenges that come with running a niche site, such as limited audience size and difficulty in scaling. But fear not. You can use the concepts of niche sites to build a successful faceless YouTube channel. Just like with niche sites, finding your own unique angle or topic on YouTube can help you stand out from the crowd and attract a dedicated audience. Remember, building a strong brand takes time and effort, but with persistence and patience, you can achieve success. As the saying goes, a rising tide lifts all boats. Niche sites may have their challenges, but they still hold immense value for those willing to put in the work. And if you're not interested in starting a website from scratch, why not try using those same principles on YouTube? Whatever path you choose, don't be afraid to carve out your own space by focusing on what makes you unique. In doing so, you'll create something truly special that resonates with your audience and sets you apart from the rest. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to InfoSpike TV for more great content on how to make money online. Check out the video description for links to resources that can help you reach your goals faster.